So this is the motor being cleaned out. Today we're going to be installing the crankshaft and the new crank bearings. Already been cleaned. Got bearings right here. So we'll be installing them, putting on the crank, and torquing it down. Hopefully we'll be able to do that and starting on the pistons tomorrow. Okay, so the crank is on. I will tell you that on the most videos that I saw, they'll tell you that it should free spin without any binds or kinks. When you put the first couple ones, I'm not gonna lie, it feels like it's too tight. But once you get them all tightened down and in place, no scratching, no kinks, so there's no play. And feels pretty solid. So already put that down. Crank's already in place. Tomorrow we'll clean up the journals. Freeze plugs are already on so far. Replace the seal, the crank bearing, and the freeze plugs. Tomorrow we'll put the pistons with new rings and new bearings, especially because when I took this one off, the bearings do look pretty bad. There's a lot of wear on the upper part, and that's evened throughout on all of them, so we'll be changing those out tomorrow. For now, we're done here, and we'll check again once I get everything done and tightened up with the torque wrench. I'll repost the video with an update. Alright, so crank's on. Next thing we'll probably be doing is the pistons. Other than being dirty, pistons are still good, so we'll be using those. We'll be replacing the bearings and the ring seals. So just need a ring compressor and the torque wrench.